Updating your billing address with Rabobank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Rabobank website or open the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings or Profile section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select Billing Address. In the Account Settings, find the option for Billing Address or Contact Information. Click on this option to proceed to the Address Update section. Step 4. Enter new address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes and ensure your new billing address is recorded. Make sure to check your email or account notifications for confirmation of the update. Keeping your billing address current helps avoid any issues with your account or transactions.